What's up, guys? Gojo Hollow Nuke. Requested multiple times by one person. Sorry it took so long, but we got there in the end. I was working on it for a while, trying to find the one that with the blue and purple in the back, or blue and red. So, landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser. Sketch it out lightly. Hit pause. If I go too fast, try have fun. Number one rule. The face real small, like teeny weeny weeny. So we are limited on this channel by scale. We're going to do our best, right? So we're going to zoom in. Oh. We're going to start with his eyes. Diagonal. And then across. We'll just get the eye shape. Comes down. And then around the bottom. Like so. Of course, Gojo eyes aren't that simple because of all those eyelashes that he's got. So we gotta try and do that. So we go this way. Adding all these spikes. Like so, and sometimes they go like these sort of lines down here. Do 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 do. Right, and he's looking up, so we're going to go like so, and then pupil like that, and then eyebrow. And then just a little space that we can like add a little bit of color on there. Other eye. There. Right, and then it goes across again. And then down. And then across like so. No eyelid lines, but I'll add an eyelid line just because it would make more sense. And then eyelashes. Try that again. And sometimes along the bottom there are these little eyelashes like so. Kind of look like stitches or something. Okay, that blue eye looking up. And then the eyebrow again, go sort of here, and then go diagonal that way. Okay, right, and then nose, so we'll just go sort of nostrils down here, quite low down. and then his mouth. And we're going the manga. So I think his mouth is closed in the manga. So sort of underneath the inside of his iris, right? And we just go across, kind of flat, like so. Okay. We can't see his chin because there's a hand that comes across, right? But we can see his jaw. So his jaw is like here. And then it goes up towards his ear. Maybe his chin a little bit in there. And then sideburn. Like that. His hairline comes across, so you got like a V in the middle, and then these little spikes that come across. And down. This side of his face is like totally covered by his like arm as well. So we can just see like his ear. And then the rest of his ear lines just inside. And then we go with the hair spikes. They'll all go around like up the top of his head. This one seems to go in behind. And you can add some like in here. The manga will do way more texture lines now than sort of an anime version would. So okay. That's all we can kind of see of his face, right? So we can see like his neck coming down from his jaw here. It's quite wide neck. And then his collar comes across the neck muscles. So, which hand to deal with first? That's the question. So we got like his trapezius. Just going from here quite high up. Like some hatching there. And then like a big shoulder muscle sort of here. This chest muscle will just go like across here. Right, so this space. Gotta deal with this, I guess. So his bicep is like right next to his hair. So you just do these two bumps, right? Bicep and then like armpit slash shoulder area here. And the other side of this, so like tricep going into his armpit, and then his back muscles going that way. Like another muscle there. And then like his forearm and like elbow sort of area. But it's all sort of flat, you know, it's not. And then this forearm looks like a bowling pin, in my opinion. That's what that sort of shape. And then his wrist bone kind of sticks out a little bit up here, like a tiny bit. And then you have the start of the palm of his hand. I think his t-shirt, where's that? Like beside his hair. Okay. That's what we got so far. Not an easy body position to draw, so take your time. Okay. So I get the rest of his. We'll deal with the hands sort of together, right? I'll just deal with. We'll go with the body. What we can see of it anyway. So we'll go like sort of side body here, a couple of bumps down, and then like ribs and stuff. And then like his chest is like here, just in line sort of with his nose. And then chest muscles kind of come across. They don't draw this in the manga, it's just like all black. So you'll have some abdominal muscles, probably. Because it is a sort of a skin tight costume thing. And then the other bowling pin style arm, right? So it comes like across here. So we got like the wide base. And the elbow is just like there. And then this gets thinner as we go up. And where it becomes like his wrist and his hand and stuff. So again, it's kind of like a bowling pin sort of shape. He's got like some forearm muscles. And then his tricep kind of here. I think that's his bicep in there, but it's not totally clear. Okay. Now we got to deal with hands. So we'll do this one and then the top one. So we'll do like the back of his hand for the knuckles first, right? You just have 4 knuckles here, like steps coming up, like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the fingers come up and down like that. So your fingers have like 3 sort of segments usually. So like 1, 2, 3, and then this one curves around 1, 2, 3, like that. And like the palm of his hand is like in here somewhere. What was that? We're a professional operation here on Art.Simple. Right, fingers. Keep going. So we go again. 1, 2, 3. And we go around. 1, 2, 3. Middle finger. 1, 2, 3. This one points out a bit further up this way. 1, 2, 3. Curve it around. Add a few fingernails. Knuckle lines. And then we go palm of the hand. Okay. Right. Not a bad hand, I must say. Sorry about the noise in the background. Hashtag dad life. And then wrist bones I do try and edit out the background noise, but you know, there's a lot of it. And then back of the hand comes up. We can see knuckles, so we can see like a knuckle here, but then there's another one in there. And then the little finger sort of curves around. Like that. And then the palm of the hand is here somewhere. And then this curves around. We go up to the knuckle joint for the thumb. And the thumb's just here. And then this is the ring finger, curved over and in behind the little finger. Do, 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 do. 2 fingers pointing to the sky, relatively straight, a little bit bumpy, just for knuckles. Okay. That ain't easy. The hands definitely don't make it easy. I guess some like textures in here. Now, purple is a combination of art class with Art.Simple. Blue and red. So we got to do 2 circles. Now, if you have a circular object that you can draw around that is the right size, do that. If not, do this and scream while you're doing it. Boom, 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 boom. And then here. Somewhere. So we'll try and get it same height. Always have to hold my breath drawing circles. A bit bumpy here, but not bad. As circles go. Okay. And then there seems to be like some energy, sort of. They're like planets, you know. So you could add like direction lines if you want to coming across them. But that is optional. You would just color them blue and sort of glowing blue and red. And then the purple energy maybe starting to fuse them. But that is Gojo's Hollow Nuke. Or is it like Hollow Purple Full Power? I've seen it called a couple of things. Anyway, hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.